What an amazing car just arrived in direct off the one local owner. This is absolutely stunning. It really is fabulous example. Porsche Macan S PDK. This is a 3-litre diesel with 260 brake horsepower. It is amazing. £6,300 worth of factory fitted options, just one owner from new. Absolutely outstanding. The car is totally unmarked. Carrera white metallic. Raced in September 2017 on a 67 plate with just 32,000 miles. Looks and drives absolutely fabulously. Of course, 4-wheel drive, 7-speed automatic gearbox. Let's take you very close all the way around. Electric tailgate. The boot is lovely and clean. It's got the load liner, split folding rear seats, through load facility. It's even got the rubber mats to protect the carpet set. So it really has been very well cherished. The carpet under there almost like brand new. Additional storage just under there. Lots and lots of space in the boot. This car's also got the deployable towbar, full electric, so easy, couple of buttons there to press. So top button just to release it, and just look how nifty that is, how quickly it just comes down. Oh presto, and back again, nice and neatly out of the way. So if you ever do need to use the tow bar, the vehicle has the tow bar with it. Of course, if you're not using it, nicely out of the way. Electric tailgate, press the button, you're away. Of course, got parking sensors. No dents, no scrapes, no scratches. It's got the black pack, so you've got the black spoiler, the black roof rails. It really does set it off nicely, the black and white contrast. Matching Michelin tyres all the way around. All the wheels are totally unmarked. This is how the car came in. Now the wheels have been refurbished. Good tyres all the way around. And again down the sides, no little dings or scrapes anywhere. Absolutely beautiful. Again, the close up of the front wheel as well. And this is why we do the videos, to show you we have nothing to hide, full transparency. Almost like you walking around the car with me. It's also got the upgraded headlights, the Bi-Xenon headlights with a dynamic light system. A £1,400 option, by the way, that one. Nice close up across the front. So as you can see, there's no scrapes, no dings. Obviously, but the odd stone chip, but that's about it. But it really is a fabulous car all the way around. And again, just to the wheel there, the close up of the tyre. Looking very nice. And of course the last wheel as well. And these are the 19-inch upgraded alloy wheels, so these aren't standard. These again are optional extras. And the cost for those £758, just for reference. Bit of plastic protector there on both sides of the rear doors, stop all the stone chips going up there. All the trim totally unmarked, absolutely beautiful. Got the black trim on the inside, again that was an option. All the seats absolutely perfect. non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in the vehicle. Rear centre armrest with a couple of little nifty cup holders there. Lots of space in there, plenty of legroom in there. Obviously easy access would have been slightly higher off the ground. Again, the driver's door trim, great condition, electric windows, electric mirrors. It's also got the folding mirrors, which were option. Door entry there, unmarked, electric seat adjustment with driver's memory seat. All the seats in great condition, no undue wear, with a mileage of just 32,933. That's what it's done, 32,933. So a nice low mileage car. Beautiful leather sport steering wheel. Nice positive clonk when you close the doors. Great stereo system on the vehicle. Of course, nice big screen satellite navigation, DAB radio, all nice touch screen. Scroll across. So the menu across there, so you've got the tuner, media input, various sources, AM, FM. Of course, navigation with a nice big clear map. You can zoom in exactly. The home button again shows you all the various menus across there. Again, all nice and easy, touch screen. Of course, Bluetooth phone connection. Parking sensors. The near side mirror drops down, we put it into reverse. All the various buttons across there, so you've got individual climate control on driver and passenger side. Heated front seats. Off-road mode, which shows up on the dashboard. Lane assist. So a nice clear layout on the dashboard, showing you exactly what's what. You've got this great steering wheel, paddle shift gear change. And that scrolls across the menu on the dashboard. So again, showing you various functions, like an onboard computer, showing you various things, including the map on there. So the full menu on there, just scroll through it. Cruise control. Folding mirrors. And all the interior light controls just over there. So there we have it. What a gorgeous example of the Porsche Macan S one owner, 32,000 miles, serviced by Porsche twice, so it's all up to date. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. Part exchange, always a pleasure. Great finance available direct from ourselves, so use our online finance calculator on our website to work out your HP or PCP deal. It's a very easy calculator to use. Just literally tap in the deposit you want and it works out instantly what your monthly payments are going to be. Read about our raving fans reviews and see why customers come back to us time and time again. Remember, you can click and reserve this car 24/7. Click and reserve, come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke on Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Ask us for further details. If you do really fancy it, please reserve it. We cannot hold a car without a reservation deposit. And remember our full money back guarantee. If you reserve it and come to collect and you feel the car is not as described, we'll refund your deposit, no questions asked. Very simple, very easy. That's how we make it. Just read the reviews, they speak for themselves. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke on Trent, Staffordshire. Established for over 25 years. We make buying and selling cars a simple hassle-free process. We hope we've covered everything in the video. If you need any further information or any confirmation of anything, please just give us a call. If you want a more personalised video of any aspects we may have missed, please feel free to give us a call. The phone number is 01782 822 700. If you miss it, you will kick yourself. It is absolutely stunning. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.